I feel a mess, honestly. But yeah, I have work to do. I'm gonna go for work. I think later on in the day. I need to finish up some things, and then exciting, I have a trip for work tomorrow to another district where I'm gonna be working from for a couple of days. So you guys are gonna come with me, and I'm also going to get my maintenance done there because the lady that does my nails is someone that I have been doing nails with for some time, and I trust her work, and she's really good at what she does. And I honestly am not used to like nail techs here, so I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance. I need to do my brows. um she now has brow laminating services there, so that's like a good thing for me. I've been wanting to try brow lamination, and yeah, we're gonna do that because I don't really have that much like thick eyebrows, so I want to see how that's going to look. So let's get started. Let me just freshen up a little bit, and then we can do our workout. Okay, peace. Much better. So I just finished my workout, and oh my gosh, it was intense. I think I haven't worked out in a very long time, so like I couldn't even do some of the exercises, to be honest. But yeah, I think I'm hoping to just like adjust slowly into it and just get into the groove of things as time goes. So I'm done. I broke a sweat, and I'm gonna take a shower and then prepare my breakfast, and then I can head out. So yeah, so guys, I am done, and this is my outfit of the day. So top from Mr. Price again, and these sweatpants are thrifted. Yeah, I got this from a thrift store. So I'm going to make my breakfast now, and I'm so sorry for the lighting and the sound. I think I'm so sorry about the lighting because the weather is very gloomy, and it's just like brightish. I don't know how to explain it, but it's gray and brightish, and so I don't really have very good natural light today. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna go with: just my hairband, my hair down, and this top. Make some breakfast and then head out for work because I'm already late. I'm supposed to be out by 10. I like my eggs runny, but this one is slightly burnt, but yeah, I like them like that. So that is my breakfast. What did they saw yesterday is different. We are here.
The next day. The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been away like a crazy person, but I promised you guys that I was gonna go with you on my trip, but unfortunately there was a lot going on and I couldn't carry you guys along. So I'm back from my trip. I came back last night and I was just doing like a reset because I was resting. I woke up very late today on purpose. I wanted to rest a bit and then reset. Now I am headed out. Surprise, surprise. So me and my family run an egg farm. Like we have chickens and produce eggs and stuff like that. So I'm going to see a potential client who I'm gonna take a sample of the eggs to, so that he has a feel of what they look like, so that we can get into business basically. So I have that appointment for today. So I'm gonna see that person, come back, and then finish up cleaning because I was doing some cleaning up, and then we can get into other things. So I have quite some exciting things coming. There's some things I've been trying to do, and I want to get into that later, but for now I think let's get going. This is the outfit I'm wearing. Let me just show you the outfit. So this is what I have on. This top from Mad. I think I get a little bit of clothes from Mr. Price. So Mr. Price, and this is also from Mr. Price. And of the day. So yeah guys, let's get going. Let me show you guys the sample of the eggs that I'm taking. We sell very nice, fresh, big, large eggs. So let me show you guys the sample so you can order from me, okay? So this is a sample of what the eggs look like. They are wet just because they were in the fridge for some time, so I took them out and now they're like perspiring or something. So yeah, we're gonna take this and then we'll see. Hi guys, how are you doing today? It's a lovely day today and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to run some errands and I have a couple of things that I need to buy, and yeah, so I'm heading out now. I'm just wearing like something to cover my hair because it's not done. I'm planning to come do my hair after I get back from town. So yeah, this is how my day is gonna go. So basically I started a cake making business. Hold on. I recently started a cake making business, so I make cakes now. Yay. So that is like the big surprise. So I've been trying to run up and down just to make sure I have the essentials, which is like an oven, stove, a stove with an oven, and just the things that I need to get started. So I feel like I'm getting there, and I got my first cake order yesterday. So I've been doing some advertising and other stuff on social media. So I got my first order yesterday, and I am going out now to go and source for ingredients to make the cake that she wants. She wants a like a multicolored cake. She wants vanilla, she wants chocolate and red velvet. So I just want to look at what I can scrounge up to see what I can do to make the cake. The daughter's birthday is on like a Thursday and today is Monday. So yeah, today is a holiday, by the way. I'm not working. So yeah guys, that's our big surprise, and I've just been like working in the background trying to make this happen. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time and it just fell in my lap. I think one day I'm gonna do a video and we're like going to discuss the process and how I learned how to make cakes and all that jazz. So so we're heading out now. I'm gonna walk to the town because it's quite near, it's not that far, as you guys know. And then So yeah guys, let's get going. Is my outfit of the day, just something casual. Hi guys, so welcome back. I am back home from the shop. Let me show you guys what I got. So this is what I got. I got some Frisco coffee, some milk. This is a Goldie these, I don't know what they're called yet. Cocoa powder, Oreo, some butter. I already have some more butter, so I just got extra. Some oil, vinegar, and fennel whip. This is used to make the cream and icing. So yeah guys, that's my cake baking haul for today. I'll show you guys the process when I start making the actual cake. I begin to Okay guys, so that's my meal for the night. It's cucumber salad with cucumber carrot salad, some avocado, roasted chicken, and some brown rice that I just boiled with a cup of tea. We have come to the end of our vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked the video, please like the video. You can share the video with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So I'll end the vlog here, and forgive my night. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. That was just the oven, I think, just contracting. But yeah guys, I'm done with my supper and I'm going to bed now. So good night and have a good blessed day or night. I don't know when you're gonna watch this, but have a good one. Thank you.